Hello everyone, this is Tarot's Galaxy 1111. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do the monthly reading for the sign of Cancer, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Cancer. Okay, these are the general readings, so it may or may not be resonating with each and everyone. So please take the messages wisely according to your situation, because you know your situation very well rather than me. Okay, and at the end of the reading I am going to pull some advice cards for you from the unicorns deck. Okay, and now I will start with the reading for the sign of Cancer. Okay, Sun, Moon, Venus rising sign of Cancer for the August 2020. If you want any personal reading, you can contact me. I will share my contact details in the description down below. Okay, and if the messages are resonating with you, then please let me know in the comment section that the messages are resonating with you, the readings are resonating with you. And if you want any personal readings, or you want any reading group readings on the YouTube channel, then suggest me. I will do that readings also. Okay, so we will see what are the messages for the Cancer, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign for the Cancer. Okay, for the August 2020. Okay, Two of Wands, Queen of Swords, all the messages for the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, we will see why the Two of Wands is here. Please clarify the Two of Wands. Okay, lost so many cards. Okay, we will pull 1-2 cards. Why the Two of Wands is here? Okay, Ten of Swords in reverse. Why the Queen of Swords is here? Why the Queen of Swords is here? Okay, Five of Swords. Why the Eight of Pentacles is here? Why the Eight of Pentacles is here? Okay, and the bottom of the deck is the Seven of Swords in reverse. Okay, so we will start with the reading. So in the current, past or in the starting of the month, you are feeling in the confusion, indecision, or you are trying to make the decision. Okay, and you are facing some conflict, internal or external conflict. This conflict because of the someone has been hurt you in the past. Okay, in the current, past or in the past. Okay, or that person may be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, or you might be facing some physical health problem, back pain or neck pain, upper back pain. Okay, for some of you. Okay, and now you are coming out of that energy, so you are just taking your control. Okay, some of you are thinking for the travel. Okay, you are waiting for the travel. You might be working in a far away. Okay, which in which you have to travel a lot. Okay, worldwide travel, and you are planning your travel. Okay, so and at the same time you are coming out of the someone has been backstab you, someone has been ghosted you badly, and you have been faced a lot, and you are recovering yourself from that. Okay, so Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is the again the you are now able to see the clearly. Okay, the truth, you are able to see the truth clearly. Okay, Queen of Swords is ready to take action. I told you, you are coming out of the backstab and hurting energy, and you are taking your control. After you're taking your control, you just want to take the decision, the what is the right and what is the wrong. You are able to seek the truth. Okay, you are seeing both the things, black and white, both the things. Okay, because in the past, in the clarification there is a 5 of swords in reverse. So someone has been betrayed you, someone has been ghosted you, someone has been put you in the third party situation, or you might be feeling that you are betrayed, someone has been betrayed you. Okay, even though the situation is not like that, but I strongly feel it might be there. Okay, you might be betrayed by someone. Okay, so now you are able to, you come to know that things, and you are ready to cut them off. Okay, for that you are working, and you are working creatively, you are working, focusing on your finances, focusing on your family, work, career. Okay, and some of you are trying to create, do the some creative work. Okay, in which the designing, the metal things are there, craft. Okay, so you are doing that in the with all the passion. Okay, and in the clarification is the hermit reverse, because you are now come out of the hermit mode. Okay, you have been healed yourself. I told you, you will come out of this trauma. Okay, you will heal yourself, and then you will take the control. You will take the one wands, one path. You will choose one path. Okay, you will cut the negative people off. Okay, you will cut the negative people off from your life. Okay, so you will able to seek the truth, and after that you are focusing on your finances, to build your finances. Okay, to feel you abundant, nurturing, satisfy, self satisfy. Okay, the 8 of pentacles and the 9 of pentacles, you want to reach the 9 of pentacles. Okay, it is the completion, but you means ready to, it is a single card. Okay, it is a card especially for the singles who are ready for the mingle. Okay, and there is a progression 8 and 9. So now you are not has been progress to that, but you are trying to progress to the next level. Okay, so the card is the 3 of pentacles. 3 of pentacles is a collaboration, the trade, the entrepreneur. You are might be expanding your family, you might be leveling up your degree skills. Okay, you might be thinking for the travel, for the further education, for the career. See, the travel might be required. Okay, 2 and 3. Okay, so, and you just want to come, you just want to away from the negative people. Okay, and now you are able to seek the truth, so you are able to cut them off, because now you has been taken your control. Okay, you has been thinking, no, cutting them off. Okay, and you has been done that, you will able to do that. Okay, so the you are moving to the calmer water. Okay, I strongly feel you there might be the travel is required from the water. Okay, for some of you, so the things will come to in your place. Okay, just for the balance. Okay, to come in for the balance, for the stability, for the family stability, for career, financial stability. Okay, you want to move on. It's a very nice card. Okay, so I will pull some advice cards for you from the unicorns decks. What are the advices for the Cancer, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Cancer for the August 2020? What are the messages for the Cancerian? Please unicorns, let us know what are the messages for the Cancer. Wishes 335, so number 8. So you are coming out of this this completion. Okay, the your tough cycle is going to end. You are maybe going through lot of ups and downs. Okay, ups and downs, like you are in the one pattern. Okay, but the bad has been happened to you, and it has been happened with you a lot for some time, for since a long time. Okay, that cycle is going to change. Okay, that toxic cycle is going to change. Be careful what you wish for, as you as one wish will be granted. So your wish is going to be granted, so you have to manifest very properly, because that things are going to come to you. Okay, so whatever you are wishing, please take care what you are wishing. Okay, manifestation. See, Focus on your vision beyond yourself and your unicorns will help you manifest properly. See, 10 again, 1 plus 9 is a 10, so completion is going to be there. So you just have to focus on the manifestation. Whatever you want, ask for it, okay? And whatever you want very firmly, that only you have to ask very properly, because it is going to come to you, okay? So with the all the thinking and all the readiness, okay, you just have to focus on the manifestation properly. Queen of unicorns, 4 plus 3 is the 7, so it will, all the things will come to place in the divine timing, okay? You are blessed with the love, compassion and wisdom, so universe is with you, they are blessing you the love, compassion and the wisdom. So you just have to take a control, and you are able to take the control because universe is with you, gods are with you, angels are with you, okay? They are blessing you love, wisdom, compassion, okay? Help, number 3, to help you need is on its way, okay? So keep watching for it, someone is ready to help you, okay? So you just have to watch who is going to help you, okay? Seek for your help, okay? People are helping you, the universe is helping you, the gods is helping you, angels are helping you. You just have to be in that vision, okay? You just have to change the vision that people are wanting to help you, they are ready to help you, so you just be receptive for the help, okay? Be receptive for the help. Archangel Gabriel, 39, which is the 11, call in the pure white light, okay? So you have to call, see the manifestation, you have to pray to the god very very pure hearted, okay? And that wish is going to come to you, okay? Angels are helping you out in the to heal the situation, okay? Soul satisfaction, again 7 number, aim for what, aim for that which makes you soul rejoice, okay? Whatever you are manifesting, whatever you are dreaming, so whatever you are aiming, whatever your goal is, that should be in such a way that which will make your soul rejoice, okay? Your soul should be happy, that's what you have to be, the manifestation should be in that way, okay? In the proper way. And the honesty, number 4, so the stability is going to come, honesty will ultimately be rewarded, whatever you are going to do it with the honest, okay? And that will be rewarded by the universe, okay? And the bottom of the deck is the choices, there is another way, ask your unicorn to help you, okay? You will find that help. So this was your reading, please let me know in the comment section if the reading is resonating with you, and please let me know if you want any personal reading, or if you want any reading on the different topics, suggest me in the comment section, I will do the readings also, okay? So stay tuned with the Tarot Galaxy 1111 for upcoming videos. I will meet you in the next video. Take care, bye bye.